Hello, good morning and welcome to the TFJJ. Now we are back on the road for day 3. Had a very enjoyable drive yesterday, coming into Switzerland. Stayed at this really nice hotel called the Land Hotel Hirschen in Erlinsbach in Switzerland. Really nice. Just going to go get the cars started now, get on the road. We're going to head to Lake Como via the Lindt factory in Switzerland, which I'm very excited by. But yeah, just a little shout out to this hotel because it was a really nice place to stay. Quite a late notice booking, really nice area, very quiet. And yeah, parking spaces for all the cars as well, so ideal. We've actually got over here, which is quite interesting, the new VW ID Buzz electric van, which looks really cool. But yeah, let's get on the road, get driving. So here we are, next stop of the road trip, just parked up outside the Lindt factory, Lindt Museum in Zurich. Gonna go underground and park in the car park. Just thought it was pretty cool to get a photo of the car here. Yeah, not strictly car related I guess this one, but give you a little tour of what's inside. I'm sure it'll be pretty good fun. Got loads of flies now on the front of the car, which is quite cool, that road trip look. But yeah, probably need it clean before we get back. So we got Thomas here, just filling up on the milk chocolate. Thrown it everywhere.
Very nice.
The verdict, very good, yeah? Very rich.
Am I doing it wrong?
Only happen once. So this scenery is a little bit different, isn't it? We've got all the snow, ice, looks like a frozen lake just there. Gotthard Pass, all the cars lined up in a row, looking a little bit more muddy. Went through a bit of rain, a bit of dirt. Black Series looks good, all got the Swiss vignette on. DBS RS6, probably the best car for this really. And then the V12 Vantage. Even the front was getting a little bit sideways on the way up. So I've just arrived at Villa Olmo, it's called, at Como, for the second concours of the weekend, which is the Fiori Concours. Got a 935, GT2 RS Club Sport, GT4 RS, and the brand new GT3 RS. Some pretty special cars here already, despite the weather. Some of them are covered, but just a little sneak peek before the weekend itself.